Welcome to Basic Skills. Today we're going to be making gluten-free brownies. The recipe that we're going to be using is in the description below. In a saucepan, melt 2 cups of chocolate chips, 3/4 of a cup butter, 2 tablespoons water, and an optional 1 cup peanut butter. You can't really taste the peanut butter, but it's there just to tone down the chocolate a little bit. Stir until smooth. Then add 1/4 of a cup cocoa. After you pour in the cocoa, stir it and then remove it from the heat. If you're doubling this recipe, make sure you only add in 1 cup of butter, or the recipe won't turn out right. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 eggs and 1/3 of a cup sugar. Make sure you whisk it nice and thick. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and the chocolate mix. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees. Pour into a greased 9x13 pan and slide it into the oven for 35 minutes or until mostly firm.